Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll walk you through how to turn on the memory feature in Claude AI so it can remember key details for future conversations. First, open Claude AI in your browser and sign into your account. Once you are on the main chat box, look for your profile icon, click it. Next, from the drop down menu, select Settings. This will open a panel where you can manage your current account preferences. Now, in the left hand menu, click on Features or Memory, depending on your version. If the feature is available to your account, you'll see an option labeled Enable Memory. Simply toggle the switch to the on position. Some users may also see a short pop-up explaining how memory works. Read through it, then confirm your choice by clicking Enable or Save. Finally, test it by asking Claude to remember any small fact such as your name or a project detail. In future chats, Claude should remember the information automatically. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.